was as cruel as the cities I lived in. Everyone looked worse in the light. There are so many lines that I've crossed.
Happy birthday, Tiffany! Wish ko lang sa buhay mo ay maging masaya ka, matupad lahat ng pangarap mo. Wish ko na rin yung kaligtasan mo at long life. Yun lang. Happy birthday, Tiffany!
I don't wanna look at anything else now that I saw you. I don't wanna think of anything else now that I thought of you.
Happy birthday, Tiffany. Wish ko lang palagi kang masaya. Always face forward kahit anong pagsubok. And then, sana matandaan mo na lagi ka napapalibutan ng mga taong nagmamahal sa'yo.
Like the draw only draws the unlucky.
Happy birthday, Tiffany! Ang wish ko sa'yo ay lagi kang healthy, ligtas, laging masaya. Naging mabuti kang bata at anak. Maraming salamat sa mga pinakita mong talent at pagsisikap sa iyong pag-aaral. Happy birthday, Tiffany! I love you!
Maybe you ran with the wolves and refused to settle down. Maybe I've stormed out of every single room in this town. Threw out our cloaks and our daggers because it's morning now. It's brighter now. Now I don't wanna look at anything else now that I saw you.
Hello! Happy birthday, Tiffany! Noong araw na to ang ating pinakakaintay. Saya ako at natupad ang ating pangarap sa iyong birthday. Palaging magdarasan at nagpapasalamat ako sa mga achievement mo. Naging mabuti kang anak. Happy birthday!
Daylight, 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 daylight. I only see daylight, 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 daylight.
Hello Tiffany, happy birthday sa'yo. Ang wish ko sa'yo ay maging successful ang magiging college life mo. Sana manatili pa rin kayo ni Lloyd. Ayun lang. Happy birthday.
But it's golden, and I can still see it all. Back and forth from New York. I once believed life would be but it's golden. Daylight.
As you enter a new chapter in your life, I wish college that will treat you well, and I hope you grow fearlessly and enjoy your life. I hope you know that you're loved by many, and you know that you have me always, and kami nilaga po, and I love you.
Anything else now that I thought of you? Things will never be the same. I've been sleeping so long in a 20-year dark night.
Happy birthday Tiffany. Welcome sa adult life. Ang wish ko ay mas matuto ka pa sa mga responsibilidad sa pagiging ganap na adult. Basic na wishes, good health, and laging safe palagi. Yun lang, happy birthday!
Only see daylight, 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 daylight. Only see daylight, 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 daylight. Like daylight is golden. Like daylight, you gotta step into the daylight and let it go. Just let it go.